Hello students, in the previous videos we have seen that adjoint method and transformation method. Today now we will see the solutions of linear equation by inversion method. So I have written the question here, x plus y equal to 4, 2x minus y equal to 5. What is the question? Solve these equations by using inversion method. Okay, it means we have to find the values of x and y by inversion method. Sum is given in two variables x and y. Two equations are there. From these two equations, write down the three matrices first. First matrix A. What is the matrix A? A is the coefficient matrix. Write down the coefficients of x and y. Coefficient of x and y is 1, 1. Here coefficient of x and y is 2 and minus 1. What is A? A is coefficient matrix. Then write down x. X is variable matrix. Variables are x and y. Two variables are there, x, y. Then write down the constant matrix B. Constant numbers are 4 and 5. 4, 5. A कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स x y के कोएफिशिएंट्स है, x वेरिएबल मैट्रिक्स, वेरिएबल्स आर x and y, b कांस्टेंट मैट्रिक्स, such that ax equal to b. By using this equation, we can find the values of x and y by inversion method. Okay, from the matrix A, find A inverse. How we can find A inverse? We can find A inverse by using adjoint method or elementary transformation method. Which is easy method? कौन सा method easy है? Adjoint method. So by using adjoint method, we can find A inverse. Okay, adjoint method के लिए A inverse का formula क्या है? A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. This is the formula. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint. Okay, so first of all we have to find determinant A from the matrix A. Matrix A से determinant A का वैल्यू फाइंड कीजिए. Determinant A is equal to determinant 1 1 2 minus 1. Take the cross multiplication. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Middle sign is minus. 2 ones are 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 2. So value of determinant is minus 2. Now we have to find adjoint A. How we can find adjoint A? By using cofactors. It means we have to find the cofactors. Cofactors. Okay, how we can find the cofactors? Which formula is applicable? Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. What is mij? Minor of aij. What is capital Aij? Cofactor of aij. By using this formula, we have to find the cofactors. Okay, first cofactor A11. It is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, M11. Minor of A11. Minus 1 raised to 2. Minus 1 raised to even number is always 1. Minus 1 raised to 2 is 1. Right? Okay, now M11. Minor of A11. First row, first column. First suffix indicates number of rows, second suffix indicates number of column. First row, first column should be, remaining is minus 1. So M11 is minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Now next cofactor A12. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. M12. Minus 1 raised to 3. 3 is odd number. Minus 1 raised to odd number is always minus 1. M12 minor of A12, first row second column, first row second column. What is minor of A12? That is 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Next cofactor A21 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 M21. A21 is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 M21 minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. M21 minor of A21 second row first column, second row first column, remaining element is 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Now next cofactor A22, this is the last cofactor. A22 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 M22 minus 1 raised to 4 is even, so it is plus 1. M22 minor of A22 second row second column, that is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. These are the cofactors. From cofactors we can write adjoint matrix A column wise. What is adjoint A? Adjoint A is equal to first two elements in the first column. So minus 1 minus 2 in the first column. Next two elements in the second column. Minus 1 1. Okay, you will get adjoint A. Now use the formula A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. 1 upon determinant A. What is the value of determinant A? Determinant A का value हमने find किया है, क्या है? -3. So it is 1 upon -3. Adjoint A, adjoint matrix -1, -1, -2, 1. Okay, here minus sign is outside, so multiply by -1. So it becomes y 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 outside. Change the sign of each element in the matrix. Matrix में हर एलिमेंट का साइन चेंज कीजिए. So it is 1 1 2 -1. We can check it whether the adjoint matrix is correct or not. Okay, diagonal elements will be interchanged. Now see, diagonal elements are interchanged. Non-diagonal का sign change हुआ है. Then we multiply by -1, we will get this A inverse. Okay, from this A inverse, we have to find the values of x and y by using the equation Ax equal to b. Now from 1, what is the from equation 1? From 1, Ax is equal to b. Now multiply this equation by A inverse. 3 multiplying by A inverse. A inverse से multiply कीजिए दोनों साइड. It becomes A inverse into Ax is equal to A inverse into B multiplied by A inverse. Now rearrange it. This can be written as A inverse into A into X equal to A inverse B. But A inverse into A is equal to I. A inverse into A equal to I. So this becomes I. I into X is equal to A inverse B. But I into X is X. Therefore X is equal to A inverse B. Now we have to solve this equation. X is equal to A inverse. Substitute the value of A inverse. 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. A inverse 1 1 2 minus 1 B matrix B is 4 5 4 5 is equal to 1 upon 3. Now take the multiplication. How can take the multiplication? First row first column, एक ही column है. First row this column. रो का पहला एलिमेंट कॉलम का पहला एलिमेंट. मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑलवेज बी एग्जिस्ट रोज इनटू कॉलम्स. ओके, रो का पहला एलिमेंट कॉलम का पहला एलिमेंट. 1 into 4 is 4. plus 1 into 5 is 5. Now second row and same column, 2 into 4, 8, minus 1 into 5, minus 5. It is minus 5. 1 by 3, 4 plus 5 is 9, 8 minus 5 is 3. So now here we can divide by 3. It is 9 upon 3, 3 upon 3. So x is equal to, what is x? X is variable matrix xy. So xy is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 upon 3 is 1. 9 upon 3 is 3, 3 upon 3 is 1. By equality of matrices, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Okay, we can check it whether these values are correct or not. We can substitute the values of x and y in this equation. If LHS is equal to RHS, it means the values of x and y are correct. Okay, do you understand any problem? What is the procedure? Write down 3 matrices, then find cofactors. From cofactors, find A inverse by using adjoint method. Then simplification in this way, multiplying by A inverse, we will get x equal to A inverse B. Take the multiplication of A inverse and B, and equality of 2 matrices, we will get the values of x and y. Okay, now we will take the next term, which is based on 3 variables. We take next one. So that is written now. Okay, we will take the sum, second sum. In the second sum, we have to find the values of x, y, and z. Okay, now the second sum is 5x minus 5 plus 4z is equal to 5. 2x plus 3y plus 5z equal to 2, and 5x minus 2y plus 6z is equal to minus 1. Working procedure is same as like the previous sum. From these 3 equations, we have to find x, y, z by using inversion method. So first of all, write down the 3 matrices A, X, B. What is A? Coefficient matrix. Write down the coefficients of x, y, and z. First equation. From the first equation, 5 minus 1, 4. From the second equation, coefficients of x, y, z, 2, 3, 5. From the third equation, 5 minus 2, 6. This is matrix A, known as coefficient matrix, because these are the coefficients. Now x, variable matrix. Variables are x, y, and z. X, y, z. Now B is constant matrix. Constant numbers are 5, 2, minus 1. 5, 2, minus 1. Okay, by using the equation, Ax equal to B. Okay, now from the matrix A find A inverse. A से A inverse फाइंड करेंगे by using adjoint method. किसी भी मेथड से फाइंड कर सकते हैं, either adjoint or transformation. But adjoint method is easy, so we will find A inverse by using adjoint method. Okay, adjoint method से A inverse फाइंड करने का फॉर्मूला क्या है? A inverse is equal to 1 अपॉन डिटरमिनेंट ए इंटू एडजॉइंट ए। तो सबसे पहले क्या फाइंड करना है, फिर डिटरमिनेंट ए से फाइंड करो डिटरमिनेंट ए। Replace the symbol of matrix by the symbol of determinant. Two vertical lines is the symbol of determinant. 5 minus 1 4. 2 3 5. 5 minus 2 6. Now solve this determinant of order 3. Okay, first element 5. 5 is present in first row, first column. First row छोड़ दीजिए, first column छोड़ दीजिए. Remaining 4 elements का आपको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. First step this way, 3 6 are 18, middle sign minus, minus 2 into 5 minus 10, here is always minus, minus into minus plus, so 18 plus 10, next element is minus 1, change its sign, plus 1, now minus 1 will present first row, second column, so first row, second column छोड़िए, remaining elements का cross multiplication, 2 6 are 12, minus 5 5 are 25, 12 minus 25. Next element is plus 4. 4 represented in first row, third column. First row, third column छोड़िए. Remaining element का cross multiplication. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 5 into 3, 15. So minus 4 minus 15. So this can be written as 5. 18 plus 10, 28. Plus 1, 12 minus 25 minus 13, plus 4, it is minus 19. 28 into 5, 5 8s are 40, so it is 140. 13 1s are 13, so it is minus 13. Plus 4 into minus 19, minus 76. So it will be minus 89. 149 minus 89 is, I think, 51. Okay, value of determinant is 51. Now we have to find adjoint A. How we can find adjoint A? For adjoint A, we have to find the cofactors. क्या find करेंगे? Cofactors. Cofactors find करने के लिए क्या formula है? Aij, which formula is applicable? Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Okay, now we can find the cofactors. A11 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Now first row, first column छोड़िए. First row, first column. Remaining elements का cross multiplication. 18 plus 18 minus minus 10 is 18 plus 10. Minus 1 raised to 2 is always 1. Minus 1 raised to even number is 1. 18 plus 10. 28. So first cofactor of A11 is 28. Now next cofactor A12 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. First row, second column. T shape. First row छोड़ दीजिए, second column छोड़ दीजिए. Remaining 4 elements का multiplication. 2 6 are 12. Minus 5 into 5 is 25. 12 minus 25. Minus 1 raised to 3, it is minus 1. You have to write alternate. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 like this. 12 minus 25 is minus 13. Minus 13 into minus 1 is plus 13. Next cofactor is A13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. First row, third column. First row छोड़िए, third column छोड़िए. Minus 4, minus 15. Minus 4 minus 15. Minus 1 raised to 4 is 1. So it is minus 19 is equal to minus 19. Next cofactor A21 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. Now second row, first column. Second row छोड़िए, first column छोड़िए. Remaining elements minus 1 4 minus 2 6. इसका multiplication. Minus 1 into 6 minus 6. Then minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Minus minus plus 8. Minus 1 raised to 3. Here is 1, so it is minus 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. And minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Okay, next cofactor A22 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2. सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम डॉक्टर का साइन है वो छोड़ दीजिए। रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स 5 6 आर 30 माइनस 5 4 आर 20 30 minus 20 so here is minus 1 so next is 1 minus 1 raised to 4 is 1 30 minus 20 is 10 so 10 into 1 is 10 next cofactor 8 to 3 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 second row third row छोड़ दीजिए third column छोड़िए 5 into minus 2 minus 10 5 into minus 1 minus 5 so minus 10 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 minus into minus is plus so here is 1 so next is minus 1 minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5 minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5 now next cofactor 831 third row first column A31 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 third row first column third row छोड़िए first column छोड़िए इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन minus 1 into 5 minus 5 minus 3 into 4 12 minus 5 minus 12 minus 5 minus 12 so minus 1 raised to 4 is 1 so here is minus 1 check it now 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 next is 1 minus 5 minus 12 minus 17 so it is minus 17 so next cofactor A32 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 third row second column remaining elements these are take multiplication 5 5s are 25 minus 2 4s are 8 25 minus 8 so next one is 1 के बाद आएगा minus 1 25 minus 8 is 17 so it is 17 into minus 1 is minus 17 is that it now next remaining cofactor is 833 third row third column minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 third row third column 5 3s are 15 minus 2 1s are minus 2 15 minus minus 2 means 15 plus 2 minus 1 raised to 6 is 1 1 into 17 is equal to 17 last cofactor A33 is 17 okay from these cofactors you have to write adjoint A column wise adjoint A okay first three elements in the first column 28 13 minus 19 28 13 minus 19 next second column में minus 2 10 5 minus 2 10 5 now remaining elements in the third column minus 17 plus 7 this is adjoint A we have to find A inverse के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A so therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A का वैल्यू क्या है 51 so it is 1 upon 51 adjoint A 28 minus 2 minus 17 13 10 minus 17 minus 19 5 17 okay now see the first observe the equation 1 from 1 what is the first equation Ax is equal to B now multiply this equation by A inverse pre-multiplying by A inverse to both the sides. So this equation becomes A inverse into Ax is equal to A inverse B. Okay, on simplification प्रीवियस सम में देखा है क्या है सिंप्लीफिकेशन x is equal to A inverse B. Now substitute the values of x, A inverse and B. So x is equal to A inverse. What is A inverse? 1 upon 51. A inverse is 28 minus 2 minus 17, 13, 10 minus 17 minus 19, 5, 17 into matrix B. What is the matrix B? 5, 2 minus 1. 5, 2 minus 1. Now x is equal to 1 upon 51. कैसे होता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन? रोज इनटू कॉलम्स. Okay, first row, first column. There is only one column, so first row this column. Multiplication this way. Okay, row का पहला एलिमेंट, कॉलम का पहला एलिमेंट. 28 into 5, 140. रो का सेकेंड एलिमेंट, कॉलम का सेकेंड एलिमेंट. -2 into 2, -4. रो का थर्ड, कॉलम का थर्ड. -17 into -1, +17. Now take second row and the same column. 13 5s are 65. 10 into 2, 20. रो का थर्ड एलिमेंट, कॉलम का थर्ड एलिमेंट. -17 into -1, +17. Now third row and the same column. -19 into 5, -95. 5 2s are 10. 17 into -1, -17. So therefore x is equal to 1 upon 51. Now simplification. 140 plus 17, 157. 157 minus 4, it is 153. 65 plus 20, 85. 85 plus 17, 102. Okay, 95. Now 10 minus 17 is -7. Minus 95 minus 7 is -102. Now divide this by 51. So it becomes 153 divided by 51. 102 divided by 51. Minus 102 divided by 51. Now the values of x is x, y, z. This is variable matrix x, y, z. Okay, now simplify. 51 into 3. 51 into 3, 52. 153, 51, 2s are 102. This is also 2. So we will get the values 3, 2. This is also 2, minus 2. Take the equality of two matrices. By equality of matrices. By equality of matrices. Okay, compare these two matrices. दोनों मैट्रिक्स कंपेयर कीजिए. x is equal to 3. Second, y is equal to 2. Z is equal to -2. These are the values of x, y, z. You can check it by putting in these equations. If LHS is equal to RHS, then values are correct. Okay, do you understand? This is the inversion method. I am using here adjoint method to find the inverse. You can use transformation method also for finding the inverse. Remaining portion is same. Okay, these are the values of x, y and z.